Welcome to InfoZunkies, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech news and information. Today, we're exploring the mystery of why circuit boards are almost always green. Have you ever wondered why almost every motherboard, RAM module, and adapter card out there is green?
Well, the answer isn't so simple. There are a few theories out there, but one major contributor is a layer on the PCB called the solder mask.
The solder mask is a locker that protects the board against oxidation and prevents different pieces of solder from accidentally touching each other and causing a short circuit. Some of the materials used in solder mask, especially in the early days of electronics manufacturing, had a natural green hue to them. But why green specifically? One reason is that the materials used in green solder mask actually allow board components to be spaced closer together than some other colors, reducing errors on densely packed PCEs. Additionally, green is a color our eyes are relatively sensitive to, but doesn't tend to be fatiguing over long periods of time the way yellow and red can be, which matters for professionals who stare at PCBs all day. There's also a related argument that green boards have higher yields, meaning they experience fewer errors in production. Furthermore, the military may have had a hand in making PCBs green. The US military actually had multiple patents on PCBs back in the early days of electronics, and it would make sense that if soldiers were lugging electronics around in the field, it would be far better to blend into the rest of their equipment and environment than stand out. Of course, with manufacturing improvements over time nowadays, it isn't too hard to order a PCB in a different color. But green has become an industry standard and an inexpensive option since it can be produced in bulk. So if you're trying to build your own computer, good luck even finding a green motherboard anymore. But don't worry, you can always throw some fake plants inside your case and turn it into an ersatz terrarium if you really miss green. Be sure to check out our other videos and leave your video suggestions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and follow InfoZunkies for more tech news and info. Until then, keep hustling, stay informed. Thank you.